Managerial skills. What is managerial skills?
Managerial skills are what the manager employs to help the organization. It can also be defined as a set of characteristics and abilities that an executive should have in order to achieve the betterment and success of the company. It also signifies the ability to perform duties in an organization in a specific field. For example, in managerial skills, it involves the planning, problem solving, decision making, communication, and of course, time management. So, skills. We are all aware that skills are not inborn. Rather, they can develop through learning and practical experiences as a manager. It is also a knowledge that can be learned and practiced. According to American social and organization psychologist Robert Katz, the three basic steps of management are technical, conceptual, human, or interpersonal skills. First, we have technical skills. Let's define what is technical skills. Technical skills involve providing managers with the ability and knowledge to use a variety of techniques to achieve the company's goals. To put it another way, it is the ability to create and build new products, new services, and design for the business. The leader should be knowledgeable about hardware and software or be able to perform a task related to a specific field. Business professionals should possess these skills in order to effectively manage their teams or organization. For example, a person or a leader must know how to analyze data, how to code it, store it, and most importantly, know how to retrieve the data when a problem occurs. In addition, people with technical skills should also know how to manage their time effectively and how to communicate clearly when giving an information that consists of facts. Like in a management, when updating the teams and update about the policies. He or she must also be flexible, especially in dealing with different types of difficulties regarding the products and services. So, in general, technical skills include not only operating machines, software, or any production tools, but also about skills that will help to boost the company and ability to identify problems and then formulate an effective solution to solve them. So, the second one is conceptual skills. What is conceptual skills? Conceptual skills is the ability to think in abstract terms and have a mental capacity to understand the big picture or the overall operation of an organization. A conceptual thinker is always present in terms of knowledge and idea formulation. They must be able to see the entire concept, analyze and look for problems, and then came up with an effective solution. He or she can also foresee the potential problems that an organization may face. So here, people with these skills will think and plan to have a plan A, plan B, and plan C. They will not only concentrate on one thing, but also consider other things. For example, assume you want to start a project. A person with conceptual skills will not simply jump to conclusion and start the project. Instead, he or she will consider the big picture and analyze the questions such as how this project will affect the organization as a whole and why is it important. They will first understand why you are undertaking the project and if it will also benefit the organization as a whole and will also think and consider potential risk. In simple terms, someone with this ability can understand why something is needed to be done. They will be able to identify problems, complex actions, and other potential problems that may arise over time. A person with these skills must constantly generate new ideas, think creatively, imaginatively, and always think outside the box. Lastly, we have the human and interpersonal skills. This refers to the ability to communicate with others, as well as the ability to understand the feelings and opinions of your team members. This ability allows the manager to interact with people within the organization. It also allows the person to make a use of human potential in the company, motivate all employees that can contribute to a better outcome for a company. Communication is very necessary in the management. Manager must encourage and inspire other people while also being considerate with the other team members in order to achieve the betterment and success of a company. A person must also be accountable for any decision he or she will make and be willing to accept the responsibility of any outcome. And as a person with these skills, you must always show empathy to your members because it shows that you can understand their situations. So, the key point, having the three managerial skills will help you in gaining the trust of your team members. You have the ability to guide, influence, and direct others. In short, people with these skills prove that they are trustworthy and capable of leading a team or an organization, and will be the one to help the company or the management to achieve their goals. Remember that in technical skills, you should be able to perform tasks that is related in a specific field, like software, hardware, or in improving the company. Second is the conceptual skills. In conceptual skills, it means that you should always think creatively and always think outside the box. The third one is interpersonal skills. In interpersonal skills, it is the ability to communicate with other members of the company or in an organization. The ability to communicate with others is the most important aspect in these skills.
Having these three skills only shows that it will help to be an effective leader and it will help to achieve the success of the company and the management. It will help to gain knowledge and profit from the people in the organization or in the community.